wash all that when I get there. You see my release? That's right there, right? Oh, watch out for that giant spider, babe.
Where?
Right there. He's trying to make it in the damn bag. Where'd he go? He just went in the bag.
Went in the bag?
There he is on the side. All right. Look at this damn spider trying to catch a ride to Ohio. Damn it. I don't think so, buddy. On to the back.
That ain't going anywhere.
Staying at 4:30 in the morning. I just went to get in this truck and she's got all of my favorites. Look at that. Got the Diet Wawa lemonades, the pork rinds, had a new pair of Crocs in there. This girl is something else. A little good luck send-off package. Cannot wait to use that. Oh, this is perfect. Sweet. Little cabin feel. Shoo. Wish it was cold enough to use that fireplace. Quite the view too. Well, first night checking out this property. I just got here. I don't have time to really scout it thoroughly, so it's already 6 o'clock. So I ran in, I threw 5 sticks up a tree that sit between the 2 fields to give me at least an observation sit in the morning so I can get a better idea what's going on here. But there is some deer sign in here. I mean deer sign. So I am fired up. Oh, that's a big buck. That is a big buck. That's a slammer right there, boy. Slamming buck right there. Came in right downwind. He about 200 yards away and he still smelled me. sounds like freaking plastic. Big buck in the field, big buck in the field. Behind me. Oh yeah, he's coming. He's coming. I gotta decide if I'm gonna shoot this deer or not.
Meh.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got a shot, baby. The shot looked good. It's a good buck. Oh my gosh, you should have seen this. I'm watching this clear cut, and I'm messing with the GoPro as I'm watching it. I'm trying to get this video off, and I turn around and look back where I parked the truck up at the top of that bean field, and a freaking buck jumps the fence. I'm like, no way. So I spin around, and he's a good ways out there. So I snort wheezed at him with my mouth, and he picks his head up. He's looking. I think I drilled him right here at 25 yards. But I'm excited. He's got heavy antlers. When I look back and got surprised at him, I mean, look at that damn. Can you see my truck back there? I'm only hunting. I was hunting right here tonight because we got this south wind, and I don't want to go all the way in the farm and mess up that set I hung for a northwest wind. So I turn around, I see him jump the fence. It gets my heart racing. I'm already fired up. So when I'm glassing him, I'm like, you know, you're looking right off the bat when you're trying to judge a deer. You're looking for age, and you're looking for beam length and tine length from that profile. No tine length, but I see the beams. I see he's heavy. 8 points. I'm like, that's one we want to shoot that one. Let's climb down. I'm not gonna go look for him just yet. I want to go look at the hit site. Get all this stuff packed up, and then we'll go find him. So, it was in that tree there. Here's this thicket he was in. I looked over the shot, and there's a chance it was a touchback, but I don't know. He jumped up and mule kicked, and that is always a good sign. I just gotta go in this freaking mess, see what we can find. Oh yeah, there we go. First blood. Oh, okay, good. Right in here. Oh, there we go. That's what we want to see. How's it look? That's what we want to see. Okay. Come back and see this arrow. G5, baby. Did the job. Well, bubbles pass through. That's what we like to see. Oh, dude, he is spraying. Oh yeah, here we go. I never heard him come out of this side, so I don't feel like he's too far. There he is. He's down right there. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Oh yeah. Hot and heavy. Holy crap, he's heavy. Oh yeah, we had to shoot him. Dude, look at the neck on old boy. Holy crap, that's some mass right there. Thank you, old boy. Quite the animal. Oh my gosh. I am thrilled. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm telling you, you gotta love the Midwest. I mean, we just don't grow them like this at home. You baby. I've been looking forward to this cold front so much that I almost lost sight of the fact that it's the dang rut and it can happen at any time. I mean, I'm not even gonna lie, I was sitting in the tree playing with that damn GoPro when I looked behind me. And saw him. Gosh, man, that snort wheeze, baby. Right through the tree. 200 yards. Right through the tree. We got to get him cleaned up. We got some celebrating to do. All right, I had to call in some backup. My buddy Shandon and Don, the guys who were nice enough to let me come hunt their farm out here. We're gonna get this boy out of here.